Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. In today's presentation, our group will be presenting about a very crucial topic, which is engineers and scientists are often caricatured as brilliant analytically but poor communicators. Our group members consist of 5 students. I am Shokri Zakari and these are all my group members. We have Afiq, Aiman, Zarif and Amirul for discussion for today's topic. So we proceed to the content of the presentation. In the presentation, we will be discussing about the introduction, few chapters discussing about the topic and a little bit of a conclusion. To begin with, we will start with the introduction. So for the problem statement, engineers and scientists, despite their technical excellence, often face challenges due to perceived poor communication skill. This can hinder collaboration with diverse individuals, impede the explanation of complex concepts to non-experts, and result in overall ineffective communication within the field. Consequently, these professionals may miss out on opportunities for career advancement, research funding, and other professional development if they cannot effectively communicate in their work. Next, the objective of this report is to discuss the reason why the engineers and scientists are often caricatured as brilliant analytically but poor communicators.
So this is the scope for our discussion for this particular topic, which is involved 4 chapters. The first one is the brief introduction of engineers and scientists, and the next one is chapter 2, the reason why engineers and scientists are poor communicators, and chapter 3, do engineers and scientists are really bad in communication? The last one is chapter 4, which is how to improve engineers and scientists communication level.
So first, we move to the chapter 1. So for the chapter 1, we are going to discuss about the reason why engineers and scientists are bad in communication skills. There are 3 reasons listed here. The first one is the technical language. Commonly, engineers and scientists are using technical terms and jargon to convey their ideas, where it is understandable for the technical person but not for the non-technical person. This is because the non-technical person might not familiar with the language that make it challenging for them to understand. It is common for people to communicate with others in the same field using specific terms and words. Second reason is the culture expertise, where the profession culture that traditionally strongly emphasizes on the technical knowledge, which create the imbalance between the technical knowledge and the communication skills. Those who thrive in their technological skills are frequently well respected and recognized in their particular communities, but this expert culture results in a lacking of communication skills. The third reason is the limited exposure to diverse audiences. It is due to the nature of working environment of the engineer and scientist. And the fact about engineer and scientist, their work is extremely specialized, so the scope of audience is limited also. Currently, the engineers and scientists are working in a team, but only among the profession and rarely exposed to people outside of their field. However, the scientific and technical communities are beginning to recognize the value of effective communications. So this topic we'll discuss in chapter 3. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zahir Ashraf bin Mayusri. So for my part, I will be talking about chapter 2, which we will debunk the statement of engineers and scientists having poor communication skills. So these are the 3 reasons why engineers and scientists are not really poor communicators. The first reason is engineers and scientists work in interdisciplinary teams. So they have spent many years of their careers working in interdisciplinary teams, which requires a great deal of interpersonal and soft skill, which includes communication skill, in order for them to collaborate with stakeholders, present their research findings, and engage with the general public. The second reason is engineers and scientists also take on teaching and mentoring roles at their workplace. So, in order for them to educate and coach, they need to have a good communication abilities so that they can explain all the complex concepts to their students. And the last reason engineers and scientists resolve issues and finding solutions. The reason engineers and scientists have a good communication skill is that they solve problem every day. So in order for them to solve the problem, they need to have a clear communication skills so that they can interact with each other, find the root cause of the problem, and to gather all the required information they need to solve it. That is all for me.
So next we move to chapter 3. Chapter 3 is about how to improve engineers and scientists communication level. There are 3 points that been provided. For the first point is communication training, enable engineers and scientists to effectively communicate their ideas, cooperate across disciplines, and connect with a wide range of stakeholders. For point number 2 is providing opportunities for presentations, developing their storytelling skills, developing their public speaking confidence, and learning how to adapt their presentations to various audience. So for the third point is practice effective email communication. Can learn practical strategies, techniques, and best practice to improve their email writing, ensure clarity and conciseness, and enhance their overall communication effectiveness.
So we come to the conclusion for our discussion. The first one is stereotype of engineer and scientists as poor communicator is due to the focus on technical expertise in their education and training. Next, communication is crucial skills that need to be learned and mastered by the engineers and scientists. And the third one is enhancing the communication skills can help to overcome the stigma and confidence level. The last one is bridging the communication gap between the technical knowledge and understanding can contribute to knowledge dissemination and societal progress. So that's all from us. Thank you for watching.